A hybrid car works by combining two power sources, a gasoline engine and an electric motor. The key idea is to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions by letting the car switch between or use both power sources, depending on driving conditions. At low speeds or during light driving, the electric motor often powers the car using energy stored in the battery. This makes the ride quieter and more efficient since no fuel is burned. When more power is needed, such as during acceleration or highway driving, the gasoline engine takes over or works alongside the electric motor to provide extra strength. The battery in a hybrid doesn't usually need to be plugged in. Instead, it recharges through regenerative braking and the gasoline engine. In regenerative braking, the electric motor captures energy that would normally be lost as heat when braking and sends it back to the battery. A computer system manages when to use the motor, the engine, or both, to optimize performance and efficiency. As a result, hybrids can deliver better fuel economy than conventional cars while still offering the range and convenience of gasoline power. This makes them a practical step toward cleaner transportation.